transitional zone between Qinghai Tibet Plateau and Sichuan Basin in southwest China, there is a world-famous scenic spot, Jiuzhaigou Valley. It is also known as the fairyland on earth or fairy tale world. The main landform of Jiuzhaigou Valley is karst with plentiful calcified substances. Lakes, streams, waterfalls, forest and snowy mountains give Jiuzhaigou Valley its striking beauty. Many kinds of plants provide a stable food cycle. A lot of rare animals, such as giant panda and golden monkey, enjoy a happy life here. Jiuzhaigou Valley has been listed in World Natural Heritage by World Heritage Committee of UNESCO in 1992 and the World Network of Biosphere Reserves in 1997. In addition, it is a member of Green Global 21. Jiuzhaigou Valley derives its name from the 9 Tibetan villages in the valley. It consists of 2 gullies and formed a Y shape. The valley is dotted with 114 lakes and pools, called as Haizi of various sizes, extending to 50 kilometers. It formed a wonderful sight of trees live in crystal clear waters, while waters flow through woods. Cross Luwei Hai, Pengjing Tang and Wolong Hai, Shuzhen group of lakes come to greet your eyes. It consists of some 20 large and small lakes, stretching in green valley as long as 5 kilometers. The water in the lake possesses a pure blue that no words can be found to describe its unique color. The blue is thus called Jiuzhai blue. A huge calcified dragon crouching at the bottom of Wolonghai Lake, and the name Crouching Dragon Sea was given by the local Tibetans. Birds flying in the water and fish swimming in the cloud. This is how people feel in Mirror Lake. In the morning, blue skies, snowy mountains and green trees are all reflected in the lake. Flower Lake is the most flamboyant lake in Jiuzhaigou Valley. The lake's waters assume a variety of colors, such as light yellow, dark green, deep blue, and jadeite. They are as colorful and polychrome as a kaleidoscope under the sunshine. A big pine tree lies in the crystal blue lake silently, telling the remote story of Jiuzhaigou Valley. Fishes are swimming freely and unrestrainedly in the lake, extending their welcome to the tourists. The Peacock Lake is the most colorful lake with the shortest flow in the world. Like peacock's leathers, the lake presents various colors such as light yellow, dark green, dark red, and sapphire blue. Long Lake is the largest lake in Jiuzhaigou Valley, covering an area of 30,000 square kilometers. It is 3,060 meters above sea level, the highest lake in Jiuzhaigou. Lying among snowy mountains and woody valleys, the holy lake shows its vast capacity and elegance. Water in Jiuzhaigou displays beauty of limpidity and peace, majesty and magnificence. Water passes through innumerous cliffs and form fantastic waterfalls of various shape with thunderous roars echoing by the deep valley. The 310 meters wide, 28 meters high Pearl Waterfall is adjacent to the Pearl Shoal, splashing water about like millions of bouncing silver pearls. As a symbol of Jiuzhaigou Valley, Moryulang Fall is situated in the middle of Jiuzhaigou. The 320 meters wide waterfall is the widest waterfall in China. The fall rushes down to a land with a fog and rainbow, displaying the power of the nature. Shuzhou Waterfall is hidden in the woods, showing the elegant beauty silently. The forest and the sea present different colors as the seasons change. In spring, Jiuzhaigou Valley is radiant and enchanting. Red, yellow and white rhododendrons are scattered in the mountains and the air is filled with the fragrance of wild blossoms. In summer, the beautiful trees are luxuriantly green. In autumn, the valley is a beautiful oil painting with orange, buff, deep red and crimson. Lakes are colorful and gorgeous under these colors. Sky, clouds, snowy mountain peaks, colorful forest and waters are all parts of a fairyland. The mountains and valleys are wrapped in snow and ice. Glacial waters and falls are in crystal white. Mountains and trees are in silver. In winter, the Jiuzhaigou Valley brings a real fairy tale world with its purity and elegance. It only takes you 45 minutes from Chengdu Shuangliu International Airport to Jiuzhai Huanglong Airport by air. Then, taking bus along the high-class ecological road, you will arrive at the fairy tale world, Jiuzhaigou Valley, in a very short time. Otherwise, take luxury bus from Chengdu to Jiuzhaigou is another good way to travel, since you can appreciate Tibetan and Qiang custom, as well as enjoying Worong Nature Reserve, Taoping Qiang Style Village, Mount Sigunyang, which is also known as Four Girls Mountain, Songpan Old City, Huanglong Temple, and Monigou Valley on the way. There are many 4-star and 5-star hotels in Jiuzhaigou, where tourists can enjoy every modern comfort and excellent service. In the night, the tourists can feast their eyes with unique dancing and singing performance of Tibetan and Qiang people. The folk song and dance with strong local feature will bring the tourists closer to the local culture and people. Service will be available everywhere, either outside of the hotels or on the street, as there are hundreds of taxis waiting to provide 24-hour service. Tourists can arrive at their destination in a few minutes. The green, environment-friendly sightseeing car stops at every scenic spot in Jiuzhaigou Valley. The tourists can also choose to walk the 57 kilometers long plank road to go around Jiuzhaigou Valley, which enable the tourists to savor closely the beauty of the nature. Digital management system has been introduced in Jiuzhaigou Valley. The supervision of the whole scenic area, security system, VIP service system, and the intercommunication system secures the effective management of the whole area. Tourists can enjoy delicious lunch in the big Luoyilang restaurant in the scenic area. Tourists can take pictures dressing up with Tibetan or Qiang costumes and buy some unique souvenirs in the local shops to bring the memory of Jiuzhaigou home. Jiuzhaigou Valley is an elegant poem, a beautiful picture, a fairyland of everyone. Lots of places you may have traveled to, but Jiuzhaigou Valley will still amaze you with its peerless beauty and unique custom. Dear friend, please come to Jiuzhaigou Valley and have a taste of Qinghe wine. Dear friend, please come to Jiuzhaigou Valley and dance the Huozhuang dance with Tibetans. Jiuzhaigou Valley is waiting for your coming.
Oh,